cats are known for their quirky, sometimes downright puzzling behaviors. One of the most peculiar is their tendency to sniff each other's butts and sometimes even human hands, feet, or yes, butts. While this may seem odd or even slightly embarrassing to us, for cats, it's completely normal and serves an essential purpose in their communication. In this video, we'll explore two main areas of this behavior: why cats sniff human hands, feet, and butts, and why they sniff each other's butts. By understanding these behaviors, you can better appreciate your cat's world and the unique ways they interact with both their fellow felines and you. Why cats sniff human hands, feet, and butts? Let's start with your cat's behavior toward you. If you've ever noticed your cat sniffing your hands, feet, or even your backside, you're not alone. While it may be awkward for you, it's a natural part of how cats perceive and interact with their environment. But why do they do this? Cats have an incredible sense of smell, far superior to that of humans. In fact, their noses contain about 200 million scent receptors compared to our mere 5 million. This extraordinary sense of smell is a critical part of their survival and communication toolkit. When a cat sniffs you, they're gathering information about where you've been, who you've been with, and what you've been doing. Your hands, for instance, may carry the scent of food, another animal, or even an object you recently touched. Your feet are another area of interest to your cat because they come into contact with various surfaces, collecting scents along the way. Cats may find these scents fascinating because they tell a story about your day. Were you outside? Did you walk on grass or concrete? Did you meet another animal? Your feet offer clues to these mysteries. As for why your cat might sniff your backside, it's not as strange as it sounds when viewed through the lens of cat behavior. In the feline world, scent glands located near the anal region play a crucial role in communication. When cats sniff each other's butts, they're learning about each other's identity, emotional state, and health. When your cat sniffs your butt, they are engaging in a similar behavior. They're gathering information about you, even though humans don't have the same scent glands. To your cat, this is just another way to understand who you are and what you've been up to. In short, when your cat sniffs your hands, feet, or butt, they're not being weird or invasive. They're simply trying to get to know you better in the only way they know how, through scent. 2. Why cats sniff each other's butts? Now that we've covered why cats sniff humans, let's delve into why cats sniff each other's butts, a behavior that's equally fascinating and more common among felines. This act of sniffing, while seemingly strange to us, is actually a highly social and informative ritual for cats. Cats have scent glands located in various parts of their bodies, particularly near their tails and anal regions. These glands produce pheromones, chemical signals that convey information about a cat's identity, reproductive status, health, and even their emotional state. When a cat sniffs another cat's butt, they're essentially reading this chemical information to better understand the other cat. This behavior is especially prominent when two cats meet for the first time. By sniffing each other's butts, they're engaging in a mutual exchange of information. This can help them determine whether the other cat is a friend or a foe, whether they're healthy or sick, and even what they've been eating. It's an essential part of their social interaction, helping to establish boundaries, hierarchy, and trust within the group. Cats may also use butt sniffing as a way to prevent conflict. In the wild, or even among domestic cats, understanding another cat's state of mind and health can help avoid unnecessary fights. If a cat detects that another is aggressive or stressed, they may choose to keep their distance. On the other hand, if the scent exchange reveals a calm and friendly cat, they may become more relaxed and social. Interestingly, this behavior isn't limited to just meeting new cats. Even cats that live together may engage in occasional butt sniffing to reaffirm their bonds and gather updated information about each other. It's like checking in with a friend to see how they're doing. But sniffing is, therefore, a vital part of cat communication. It's how they maintain social harmony, gather critical information, and form relationships within their feline community. The role of the Jacobson's organ. One of the key players in this behavior is a specialized organ in a cat's nasal cavity known as the Jacobson's organ or vomeronasal organ. This organ is responsible for detecting pheromones, those chemical signals that cats rely on to communicate. When a cat sniffs another cat's, or even a human, they're using this organ to process the chemical information present in scents. You may notice your cat curling their lips and opening their mouth slightly after a particularly intense sniffing session. This is known as the phlegm response, a behavior that helps draw scent molecules into the Jacobson's organ for further analysis. Through this organ, cats can detect even the faintest pheromones, gaining a wealth of information that goes beyond what their regular sense of smell can provide. Why this behavior matters, understanding why cats sniff each other's butts and why they sometimes sniff humans is essential for improving the bond between you and your feline companion. These behaviors are not just random or gross, they are vital tools for your cat's social life and emotional well-being. By gathering scent information, cats are able to navigate their world more effectively, making sense of their relationships with other cats and with you. When a cat sniffs your hands, feet, or butt, it's their way of checking in on you and maintaining a connection. It's a sign that they trust you enough to engage in this intimate behavior, which is a crucial part of their social interaction. Similarly, when cats sniff each other's butts, they are communicating in ways that are essential to their social order. This behavior helps them to establish and maintain bonds, avoid conflicts, and even express affection. So, the next time your cat starts sniffing your hands, feet, or even your backside, remember they're not being weird, they're just being cats. This behavior is their way of understanding their world and connecting with those around them. Whether it's checking in on you or interacting with another cat, sniffing is a crucial part of their social behavior. By recognizing this, we can appreciate the unique ways in which cats communicate and strengthen our bond with them. And hey, if your cat's ever sniffed you in an unexpected spot, share your story in the comments below. Let's see how many of us have had similar experiences with our curious feline friends.